Hasbro versus Mattel, the battle of the toy makers. Let's look at the toy makers. So let's get into this. Hasbro, founded December 6th, 1929. Some notable toys. We have G.I. Joe, Light Bright, My Little Pony, Mr. Potato Head, Play-Doh, Star Wars, and Transformers. Some notable board games. We have Battleship, Candyland, Monopoly, Scrabble, and Jenga. Let's go over to Mattel, founded in January 1945. Some notable toys. We have Barbie, Hot Wheels, Polly Pockets, American Girl, Fisher Price line. They have the DC comic toy line, and also Disney cars. Some of their board games are Uno, Apples to Apples, Rock'em Sock'em Robots, the infamous Magic 8-Ball, and Kerplunk. So look at Hasbro versus Mattel. This is per the dividend.com website as of October 24th, 2018, 10 a.m. Pacific time, since I am on the West Coast. Hasbro has a dividend yield of 2.68, an annualized payout of $2.52, a payout ratio of 53.1. That means they pay out 53.1% of their earnings into your dividend if you own the stock. Let's look at Mattel. They don't have a dividend, thus do not have any annualized payout, thus do not have a payout ratio. Also, per dividend.com, Hasbro is 14.29% off of their 52-week high. Mattel is 27.64% off of their 52-week high. Again, this is October 24th, 2018. And with all the tariffs between US and China and the potential stock market crash and recession, this is an indicator. So per Yahoo Finance, we're going to look at Hasbro and Mattel again. Hasbro has a PE ratio of 56.79. This is a little higher than we want. We want our PE ratio to be at or below the average, which we will take into account the S&P 500, which is around 20 to 25 on their PE ratio. This is a little higher than that, so just something to look at. Mattel, oddly, on Yahoo Finance, does not have a PE ratio. I will zoom in. This Hasbro's. This was taken off of the Yahoo Finance on October 24th, 2018, about 10:25 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And here is Mattel's. As you can tell, they do not have a PE ratio. It is inputted as N/A, and that is their chart historically going back to 1960. So, those are some information per Yahoo Finance. Hasbro and Mattel during the last recession. I inputted January 2007 through December 27th, 2010, taking into account the holiday times, and added a year on after the 2009 recession. So per Yahoo Finance against the S&P 500, again, this is in percentage. Yahoo gave me a positive on Hasbro and Mattel, with Hasbro being positive 68.38%, Mattel being positive 5.45%, while the S&P 500 was a negative 10.79%. Again, this was during January 2nd, 2007 through December 27th, 2010. This is by percentage. This was taken about 10 to 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is given the S&P 500 at 2702, Mattel at 1364, and Hasbro at a current price of 93.34. So, some notes in each from the presentation that we just discussed. Hasbro, their stock price is a little bit higher. That is the cost per stock. They pay a dividend. They did better than Mattel and the S&P 500 during the recession period we discussed, which was January 1, 2007 through December 27, 2010. Their PE ratio is 56.77, again, a little higher than we would like. Their one-year target per Yahoo Finance is 105.93, up from their current around $93. Mattel stock price is lower than Hasbro. Again, this is per stock, cost-wise. They do not pay a dividend, and they did better than the S&P 500 during the last recession period that we discussed. They do not have a PE ratio. Their one-year target price is 15.35, up from their 13.68. Again, this is per Yahoo Finance. So, if I were to choose one, it would have to be Hasbro. I would be more than happy to pay their higher cost per stock because they do pay a dividend of over 2%, which is at or about inflation. They did a lot better in the last recession period, thus preparing your stock portfolio for this next recession that is happening soon. Mattel, per historical numbers, not providing a PE ratio and being in the negative more than Hasbro in the last 52-week period, has some concerns. If you want more details on this stock or any stocks, please write in the comment section. I will be more than happy to make a video on anything you would like. So please like, subscribe, watch, and comment to tell me what you want to see. Thank you so much and have a great day.